How to fit your Melomania One Plus ear tips. To achieve the best possible fit for both comfort and sound quality, start by choosing the right ear tips. Your Melomania One Plus comes with 3 sizes of removable ear tips in 2 different materials, silicone and memory foam. The silicone tips are great for ease of insertion and removal, while the memory foam tips usually make an airtight seal and deliver the very best sound. To remove the tip, simply pinch, twist and pull. Then replace it with another size by twisting and gently easing it on. Take the time to try every size and type to find your preference. To fit the earbuds when using silicone tips, place the earbud into your ear, making sure the Cambridge Audio logo is oriented upright. This is important because the microphone is located by the L and R letters on the earphones and works best when pointed towards your mouth. If you're using memory foam tips, hold the earphone and gently squeeze and roll the foam before quickly placing it in your ear. Then push and twist to insert it as deep as you can without it being uncomfortable. Remember to also keep the microphone orientation correct. The memory foam will slowly expand and create a good seal. For more help and guidance, please visit our support site at melosupport.cambridgeaudio.com.